in a Pythagoras theorem. Now, today we studied about the application of Pythagoras theorem. Previous periods, we see the similarity in right angle triangle, proof of that similarity in right angle triangle, similarity of geometric mean theorem, and the proof of the Pythagoras theorem. Now we see about the application of Pythagoras theorem. In that application, previous years, 9th class, you studied that some applications. First is 30-60 degree, 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree theorem. What is in that theorem? In triangle, if that is the triangle ABC, if angle B is 90 degree, angle A is 60 degree and angle C is 30 degree. The measure of the angles of a triangle is 30 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Then side opposite to 30 degree, side opposite to 30 degree angle is equal to half into hypotenuse. And next, here is the side opposite to 60 degree angle is equal to root 3 by 2 times of the hypotenuse. Means here side C, angle C के opposite में side है side AB. Here therefore the AB is equal to half of the hypotenuse AC, that is the first, and with respect to second, opposite to the 60 degree is BC, that means the BC is equal to root 3 by 2 times of the AC. That is one of the application. Next application, here is the 45 degree, 90 degree theorem. If the measure of the angles of the triangle is 45 degree and 90 degree, then side opposite to the 45 degree is 1 by root 2 times of the hypotenuse. Means here that is the triangle PQR, where angle Q is 90 degree, angle P is a 45 degree, that is also the 45 degree. Obviously the two angles are congruent, therefore that triangle is the isosceles triangle, and one angle is 90 degree, therefore isosceles right angle triangle. Then side opposite to 40 degree, side opposite to 45 degree is equal to 1 by root 2 times of the hypotenuse. Means ये 45 डिग्री है, 45 डिग्री है, तो ये PQ और QR दोनों साइड्स ऑटोमेटिकली कांग्रुएंट हो जाएंगी. साइड अपोजिट टू द कांग्रुएंट एंगल्स बाय आइसोसेलेस ट्रायंगल थ्योरम, दैट इज द आइसोसेलेस राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल. मींस the length of the PQ and QR is equal to 1 by root 2 times of the PR. That is the applications. Second application. Now that all the applications are we studied in the previous class. Today we see the application of the Pythagoras theorem in acute angle triangle and obtuse angle triangle, and the combinations of these two applications in acute angle and obtuse angle. That overall combinations is the Apollonius theorem. First is application of Pythagoras theorem in acute angle triangle. What is meant by the acute angle? Acute angle means if all the measure of all the angles of a triangle is less than 90 degree, individual measure of the angle of a triangle is less than 90 degree, that is acute angle. That means the acute angle triangle. Now here ABC. ABC is the acute angle triangle because measure of angle A, measure of angle B and measure of angle C are individually are less than the 90 degree, are less than right angles. In that acute angle triangle, we prove that AB square. To prove AB square is equal to AC square plus BC square minus twice BC into DC, where AD is the perpendicular here. AD is the perpendicular. AB square is equal to AC square plus BC square minus twice BC into DC. How we prove that? Similar, we use the Pythagoras theorem here. In that Pythagoras theorem, in triangle ADC, here given. In triangle ABC, AD is a perpendicular to BC. AD is a perpendicular to BC means angle ADB or ADC is the right angle. Therefore, in triangle ADC, angle ADC is 90 degree. Therefore, by Pythagoras theorem, we can use that the AC square is equal to AD square plus DC square. That means in terms of the AD square is equal to AC square minus DC square. That is equation number 1. Now here in triangle ADB, using a Pythagoras theorem, that is by using a Pythagoras theorem, हमने पाइथागोरस थ्योरम ही यूज किया, दूसरा कोई भी थ्योरम यूज नहीं किया. सिर्फ यहाँ पे हमने एडी स्क्वायर के लिए AC स्क्वायर माइनस DC स्क्वायर टर्म रीअरेंज किया. दैट इज एप्लीकेशन ऑफ द पाइथागोरस थ्योरम ओनली. नाउ इन ट्रायंगल ADB, हियर इज आल्सो द 90 डिग्री. AD इज अ परपेंडिकुलर टू BC. देयरफॉर AB इज द हाइपोटेनस एंड AB is the hypotenuse means AB square is equal to BD square or AD square plus BD square. AD square plus BD square. But from equation 1, AD square is equal to AC square minus DC square. Is it right? Therefore, AD स्क्वायर की वैल्यूज यहाँ सब्सटीट्यूट करेंगे. दैट मीन्स द AC स्क्वायर माइनस DC स्क्वायर प्लस BD स्क्वायर. इसको हम रीअरेंज करेंगे. रीअरेंज मतलब AC स्क्वायर प्लस BD स्क्वायर माइनस DC स्क्वायर. मैंने प्लस BD को इधर लिया, माइनस DC स्क्वायर को इधर ले लिया. नाउ AD इज परपेंडिकुलर टू BC. AD इज परपेंडिकुलर टू BC and B dash D dash C. BD means, that means BD is equal to BC minus DC. लिख सकते हैं BD की लेंथ टोटल BC में से DC को सब्ट्रैक्ट किए तो BD की लेंथ मिल सकती है, बिकॉज B dash D dash C. Hence, here we put the values of BD, that is the BC minus DC. Put in इक्वेशन 2. इसको इक्वेशन हम 2 दे देंगे. दैट मीन्स AB स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू AC स्क्वायर प्लस BD स्क्वायर. लेकिन BD स्क्वायर के जगह BD नहीं लिखते हुए BC माइनस DC लेंगे. BC माइनस DC इट्स होल स्क्वायर एंड हियर माइनस DC स्क्वायर एज इट इज. नाउ एक्सपाउंड दैट AC square plus BC minus DC square, A minus B its whole square is equal to A square minus twice AB plus B square. That is the expansion of that identities. With the similar manner here, BC minus DC square is equal to BC square minus twice BC into DC plus DC square and minus DC square as it is. Plus DC square minus DC square gets cancelled with each other. Therefore, remaining is the AC square plus BC square minus twice BC into DC or CD. That is we have to prove. ये हमें प्रूव कर, दैट इज द application of Pythagoras theorem in acute angle triangle. Now that application in obtuse angle triangle, second application is in obtuse angle triangle. Obtuse angle triangle means in a triangle if measure of one of the angle is more than 90 degree, then that triangle is known as the obtuse angle triangle. तीन एंगल में से कोई भी एक एंगल का मेजर 90 डिग्री से ज्यादा होना चाहिए obtuse angle triangle के लिए. Here is also for example that is a triangle ACB or angle ACB where angle B is greater than 90 degree. In triangle ABC, angle B is greater than 90 degree. Therefore, that is the obtuse angle triangle. Now we extend the BC here. Draw the perpendicular here. AD is a perpendicular to BC, extended side BC. In that case, we prove that AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AB square plus BC square plus twice BC into BD or DB. BC into DB. इसमें वर्टाइसेस हम B और C को इंटरचेंज करेंगे तो ये DC आ जाएगा. DC के जगह मैंने परपेंडिकुलर से रिलेट नियरेस्ट DB है इसलिए DB लिखी. इसको हम कैसे प्रूव करेंगे? विद द सेम मैनर. सेम मैनर कैसे? इन ट्रायंगल ADC, ये बड़ा ट्रायंगल है. बड़े ट्रायंगल में बाय यूजिंग अ पाइथागोरस थ्योरम क्या मिलेगा? AC square is equal to AD square plus DC square. Is it right? That is equation number 1. Then ADB in triangle ADB. यहाँ पाइथागोरस थ्योरम अप्लाई करो. पाइथागोरस थ्योरम अप्लाई करूंगे तो क्या मिलेगा? AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square. Is it right? Now, from that equation, we can write the AD square means AB square minus BD square. Put in equation 1. ये वैल्यूज AD स्क्वायर की यहाँ पुट कर दो. यहाँ पुट करोगे तो क्या मिलेगा? फ्रॉम 1 AC square is equal to AD square. AD square means AB square minus BD square plus DC square. Now here जैसे यहाँ पे D, B और C के बीच में था, BD प्लस DC इज इक्वल टू BC था, हमने BC माइनस DC को BD में कन्वर्ट कर लिया. विद द सिमिलर मैनर यहाँ पे DC है. DC मतलब DB प्लस BC. यहाँ पुट AB स्क्वायर माइनस BD स्क्वायर प्लस DC मीन्स DB प्लस BC इट्स होल स्क्वायर बिकॉज D डैश B डैश C. B D और C के बीच में है और D और C के बीच में होने से BD प्लस BC इज इक्वल टू DC आएगा. Similarly, that expand that bracket A plus B its whole square is equal to A square plus twice AB plus B square. That means AB square minus BD square plus DB plus DC. DB मतलब DB को हम BD भी लिख सकते हैं यहाँ पे और एक स्टेप बढ़ाने के बजाय DB को क्या हम लिख सकते हैं? BD लिख सकते हैं क्योंकि BD स्क्वायर हमने इधर ले लिए करके. तो BD स्क्वायर plus BC square plus twice BC into BD, twice BC into BD. Minus BD square plus BD square gets cancelled with each other. That means the AB square plus BC square plus twice BC into BD. That is the proof. BC into BD or DB. Your segment BD is also known as the DB also. That is the application of a Pythagoras theorem in obtuse angle triangle. Now the combination of both the applications in acute angle triangle and obtuse angle triangle is known as the Apollonius theorem. What is the Apollonius theorem? We see the Apollonius theorem here. In that Apollonius theorem, here is the triangle ABC. AM is the median. Here in triangle ABC, segment AM is median. Median means the segment joining the vertex and the midpoint of opposite sides is known as the median. Then to prove, हमें प्रूव क्या करना है अपोलोनियस थ्योरम में, दैट इज द ए बी स्क्वायर प्लस बी ए सी स्क्वायर, ए बी स्क्वायर प्लस ए सी स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू ट्वाइस ए एम स्क्वायर प्लस ट्वाइस सी एम स्क्वायर और बी एम स्क्वायर. सी एम स्क्वायर भी कर सकते हैं या बी एम स्क्वायर, बिकॉज बी एम इज इक्वल टू सी एम. एम इज द मिड पॉइंट ऑफ बी सी. इज इट राइट? यह हमें प्रूव करना. And that is the combination of the Apollonius theorem. Here we rearrange the diagram, that is for the better understanding. A, B, C and M is the midpoint. BM is congruent with MC. Now here we draw the perpendicular D. AD is the perpendicular to BC. Now ABM is the acute angle triangle, and by application of a Pythagoras theorem in acute angle triangle we see that अभी हमने देखे application of Pythagoras theorem in acute angle triangle. Acute angle triangle. AB square is equal to AM square plus BM square minus twice BD into twice BM into DM. AB square is equal to AM square plus BM square minus twice BM into DM. Twice BM into DM. Now that is equation number 1. And AMC, here angle M is greater than 90 degree, therefore that is the obtuse angle triangle. And the application of that obtuse angle triangle means the AC square is equal to क्या आएगा, AB स्क्वायर प्लस BC स्क्वायर था, यहाँ पे AB इधर है, यहाँ पे क्या है AM, दैट इज द AM स्क्वायर प्लस BC स्क्वायर था, यहाँ पे क्या है ये MC स्क्वायर और CM स्क्वायर प्लस ट्वाइस BC इंटू DB था, तो यहाँ पे CM इंटू DM आएगा, दैट इज द ट्वाइस CM इंटू DM. Here, but BM and CM are Congruent because the m is the median. M is the median, therefore Bm is equal to Cm. In place of Cm, we can write the Bm here. Here is also we can write the Bm. Therefore, after rearranging, AC square is equal to AM square plus Bm square plus twice Bm into Dm, because Bm is equal to Cm. M is the median. Bm is equal to Cm. Cm की जगह in place of Cm we write the Bm. That is equation number 2. Now add both the equation. अब हमें दोनों इक्वेशन को क्या करना है, ऐड करना है. एडिंग इक्वेशन 1 and 2. एडिंग इक्वेशन 1 and 2. इक्वेशन 1 और 2 ऐड करोगे तो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में ऐड करो, राइट हैंड साइड में ऐड करो. लेफ्ट हैंड साइड मीन्स दैट इज द AB square plus AC square is equal to AB square plus AC square is equal to AM square plus BM square minus twice BM into DM plus AM square plus BM square plus twice Bm into Dm. Twice Bm into Dm. Now, AB square plus AC square is equal to AM square plus AM square twice AM square. Similarly, Bm square plus Bm square twice Bm square. And here minus twice Bm into Dm plus twice Bm into Dm. Two terms are equal in opposite direction, equal and opposite in direction. Therefore, they are cancelled with each other. And that theorem or that property is called as the Apollonius theorem. Using that properties, application of a Pythagoras theorem in 30, 60, 90 degrees theorem, 45, 90 degrees theorem, in a acute angle application of Pythagoras theorem in acute angle, or application of Pythagoras theorem is obtuse angle, and Apollonius theorem we try to solve some examples in practice set 2.2. Is it right?